Talagang ginusto ni Lord na magdoktor muna ako bago ko ma-meet ang lifestyles. Kasi gusto niya ma-appreciate ko kung anong klaseng paghihirap meron ang ordinaryong tao sa synthetic na gamot. Chemotherapy will kill not only the cancer cells but also the natural cells. But lifestyle products on the cellular level will restore the damaged cells. So what it will do, it will strengthen up your natural killer cells to kill the cancer cells. So you don't kill any natural cells while you take the lifestyle products. Convince them not to take or undergo chemotherapy anymore. A mother in Bulacan has a child with glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency. In layman's term, kulang po ang red blood cell niya ng isang sangkap, kaya kapag kumain siya ng bawal, dudugo ang anak niya. Sa lahat po ng kaso namin sa Saudi Arabia na hinawakan, wala po kaming ibinibigay na lunas, kundi blood transfusion lang dahil dumudugo. Lo and behold, after taking intrajuice in just a few weeks, glory to God, we found the cure.